Grammy.
Here, you hold it. You can hold it yourself if you want to.
Oh, look, Angelina.
You want to hold it yourself?
He likes you, Mazi. Oh, there he goes. You want to try to find another one? Don't spill it. Don't spill it. Oh, bird fight.
Look what I do here.
You did good, Angelina. You're doing good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they got it from you. They got it. Take it back. Take it back.
Oh, look at that.
There's no more. Angelina has a little more left, though. Here, give me the cup. Don't bite me. Ow. Uh-oh. Mazi, just be nice to him, okay, honey?
That's it. Put it right there. That's it. Hold it right there.
This one's a little aggressive.
Hold it right up there for me. Oh, you gotta be careful not kick him.
You didn't kick him, did you, Mazi?
Didn't
Okay.
he? Wow. Look at that. Uh-oh.
You might take your finger off.
It's gone.
What's my own one?
It's all gone.
All right, say bye-bye to the birdies, guys.
Bye, birdie. You mean birdie.